In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image using Canva in just 5 minutes. Fading an image can add a soft touch to your designs, making them look more professional and visually appealing. So let's dive right into it. Start by heading over to Canva's website at canva.com. If you haven't already, sign in or create an account by using the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. You have a few options here. You can log in using your Google account, Facebook, or simply with your email. Choose the option that's most convenient for you so you can access all your projects and design tools comfortably. Once you're logged in, the next step is to choose the project that you want to work with. If you don't have any existing projects yet, you can start a new one by selecting the size and type of design you wish to create. Now locate the image you want to fade within your project space. Simply click on it to select it. Now take a look at the left sidebar and click on the Apps section. This feature opens up a range of additional tools and effects that Canva offers. In here you are going to search for an app called Easy Reflections. This nifty little app is perfect for creating fading effects, among other things. Once you have located Easy Reflections, select it. With the Easy Reflections tool open, you now have the option to create a reflection of your image. Click on Create Reflection to begin the process of adding a fade effect. This tool will allow you to personalize the look of your image by providing options for positioning and opacity. Choose which side of the image you'd like to fade. You can opt for left, right, top, or bottom, depending on what suits your design best. To fine-tune the fade effect, adjust the opacity slider. This slider lets you control the transparency level of the faded area. Moving the slider to the left increases the transparency, making the fade more pronounced. Take your time to adjust until you are satisfied with how the fade complements the rest of your design. Once you have the fade effect looking just the way you want it, all that's left is to click Add to Design. This action will apply the fade effect to your project, integrating it seamlessly into your work. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully learned how to fade an image using Canva. Keep exploring and experimenting with different effects to enrich your design skills further. Thanks for watching and happy designing.